Howdy! Here's the story of a vessel that's balanced, buoyant, and built to perform. We kicked off with freshmen, grads, and engineers, brains fueled by snacks and bold ideas. After epic sketch sessions and healthy debates, we settled on a catamaran, fast, stable, and hard to tip. Next, we fired up our computer-aided design, turning napkin doodles into detailed sketches, extruding hull sections, and assembling subcomponents into a cohesive digital prototype. Along the way, we tracked material choice, total weight, and vessel buoyancy to ensure our model was both accurate and fabrication ready. Armed with theory, we optimized buoyancy, weight distribution, and balance so our craft glides, no sinking bricks. Fortunately, theory works and we secured 3 kilograms of reserve buoyancy. We broke the model into printer-friendly segments, carefully angled to minimize overhangs, aligned for optimal layer strength, reinforced with support structures, and meticulously prepped to keep the printer happy. But then, disaster struck. Shrinkage, failed supports, and an extruder that decided to quit halfway. Back in SolidWorks, we added more support profiles and thickened the female joint where the deck snapped in. Lesson learned? Panic doesn't help. Profiles do. Assembly felt like solving a cool 3D printed puzzle. We sanded every seam until our arms went on strike, painted like we were decorating a $1 million yacht, injected foam into the hulls, our secret buoyancy elixir, then snapped pieces together with Zen-level satisfaction, and torqued every screw so tight even a hurricane would think twice. And suddenly it looked like a real vessel. Then came the testing phase. First, static tests. Weight, flotation, trim, and stability, the whole checklist. All good. Then dynamic tests. Flex, shake, and a little praying. From a spark of an idea to this lively craft dancing on water, we built it together. Honestly, this is what innovation and a bit of controlled chaos looks like. In the end, we didn't just build a boat, we built memories.